Hey guys, welcome to ITS Tactical. Today I'm going to give you a little practical application of lock picking. I'm at my buddy Jack's house from the Survival Podcast, and he bribed me with a cup of coffee. And we're going to try to get this lock here off a trailer hitch. So, as we've mentioned in the past, lock picking we don't teach for illegal applications, we teach it for practical applications. So, in this case, instead of Jack paying a locksmith, I'm gonna bust out my lock picks here that I carry in my wallet. Little Sear Pick Bogota entry tools, and I'm gonna try to get this off. So one of these picks is gonna act as the tension wrench, and I'm gonna try first with the rake to see if we can get this open. So provide the tension here with this pick. It's kind of a funky angle here, but give it a shot here.
That's a great shot.
Now, I'm not going to guarantee my work on this lock yet, but definitely try. First, I'm going to put the rake in and see if I can kind of feel where the pins are at here. This keyway is really small too, so it's kind of hard to keep the tension on it and get the pick in at the same time. Now, of course, the other alternative is to cut this, but that's a pretty chunga post there.
That would be a tough cut.
Yeah, definitely. This is a hard lock to hold the tension in for sure. Keeps wanting to twist around on me.
The angle can't be helpful.
Yeah. It's a little better. I can feel some of the pins binding now. Tension just doesn't want to hold on this. And what's happening is the keyway is so small that getting this in and holding tension and getting that rake in at the same time, there's not enough space. Keep at it though, see what we can do.
Very secure lock is for retaining a hitch.
Yeah.
Maybe I went overkill on the security quality here.
Try it with the single feeler pick here. See if we can get any better results.
I'm gonna hit pause and come back if you get it. Make sure it's gone. Okay, there you go.
Okay, I did get it. It took me a while. I've probably been here, 10 minutes.
10
maybe.
minutes.
10 minutes. What I had to wind up doing is I was using the end of these Bogota tools as the tension wrench. What I had to do was use the single feeler pick to act as the tension wrench while I drop my picks. While I use the rake to get this going here, but I'm going to go ahead and unlock that. So basically what was happening, and this is a better view of the lock so you can actually see what's going on. What was happening is I'd put this in to provide the tension, which normally that's pretty sufficient in a standard size lock, but something this small that takes a small key, you can see that takes up almost the entire keyway. So what was happening is that as I was providing tension and trying to put this rake in here, there's not enough room. So what I had to do is improvise a little bit, kind of wedge that feeler pick in there, and then come in with the rake like that. And then, as you can see, it came off. Yes, it was an all-in-one take, but hopefully you can understand the practical application of carrying some lockpicks with you. So be sure to check out our other videos on ITS Tactical, and thanks for watching.